Patience, patience, patience. People say that patience is a virtue, and it is. Hello, my name is Derek. Hope everybody is doing magnificent. In this video, I'm going to address this economic situation as far as when is this dollar going to collapse. I've been making a lot of videos over the last couple years trying to explain what is happening. And quite frankly, I'm not going to be focusing too much right now on the dollar collapsing as far as the key fundamentals that I've already talked about. To me, the information's already there. Anyone who's trying to find that information should also be able to find it. Because I know it's a matter of when, but a lot of the times when you try to predict the whens, a lot of things can happen sooner or they can happen later. I mean, I was dead on as far as the stock market falling last October, but even then the patience, I didn't have the complete patience that I probably should have had, because I was starting to run out of patience as we were getting into the summer of 2008, thinking, man, why is the Dow still above 10,000 is all pretty much I was saying. And then boom, on the first week of October, when I expected it to happen, it happened. So now, when did I expect this to start happening? Either this month or next month. I'm still saying that it's likely that a lot will happen during this time frame, but it doesn't necessarily mean that it will, because sometimes it's beforehand, sometimes it's afterhand. In this case, it's definitely not beforehand. It's either when I expect it to happen, which is September, October, or November, December, January, February, March, April. April is like the cushion for when it happens. And I think I've said a few times that Easter is that end time, meaning the latest date right now I can think of for the start of the process for the death of the dollar, which I think from that point on, when it does start, should last anywhere between 12 to 18 months from the time that it starts. So I'm just going to continue to be patient along the way, but as long as the X hasn't hit the fan yet, this does give people a lot more time to get ready in preparation. Now, I know it could be frustrating for a lot of people who are pretty much out of the dollar. They really can't be buying any more gold, silver. They really can't be buying any more mass amount of food because they're pretty much already ready. If that's the case, then congratulations, you're ready. If you have silver and you're planning on, you've got too much, you don't have enough dollars, then if you have to sell it, then you sell a little bit of it. I mean, if it happens with me, you know what? I'll be ready for it, because, I mean, to me, I got a bag full of real money here. Whenever I need to spend it, I can spend it. Also, if you got the food that you've been waiting for, this whole food shortage, once again, you can eat it, which is the big key. And the fact of the matter is, because food prices still aren't a lot higher, if you buy something new, then put that in your storage container wherever that happens to be, and then eat the one that you bought 3 months ago or 5 months ago or something like that. And this way you can keep replenishing your emergency supply, because those who prepare early will have the advantage. And what time we have until there's not much preparation time left? I mean, if I had a crystal ball, if I had the information from the powers that be in front of me, I could tell you, but I might have a crystal ball, but even then I wouldn't trust it anyway. And no, I don't even think I have a crystal ball. Why am I even thinking about that? Anyway, key thing is patience is the biggest virtue. We heard today how Ben Bernanke said that the recession was likely over. Man, if I had the power of the mainstream media, if I had the want to be able to fool people so badly, I would come on and say, the Detroit Lions are likely to win the Super Bowl this year, and I could get a lot of people to believe me. And there'd be a lot of people who'd be calling me a liar and how wrong I'm going to be, which is exactly what's happening with Ben Bernanke. A lot of people, or some people, I'll even say a lot of people are believing him that the recession is likely over. Yet a lot of people, especially the people who are watching this video, are coming out and saying that he's complete BS. It's to be expected. But you know what? He told the truth today. When he said the recession was likely over, you add the not after likely, because when these type of people give us binary answers, what this means to me, that you got the truth. Binary meaning either this or this, yes or no. You take the opposite. Thank you for watching. Have yourself a good day, everyone. Bye-bye.